If your iPad apps keep crashing, freezing, or closing randomly, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through several proven fixes to stop apps from crashing on your iPad step by step. Whether it's one specific app or multiple apps acting up, we've got you covered. Sometimes an app gets stuck in a bad state. The first thing to try is force closing it. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPad screen and pause in the middle to open the app switcher. On older iPads with a home button, double-click the home button. Find the app that's crashing and swipe up on it to close it completely. Wait a few seconds, then relaunch the app from the home screen. If that didn't work, restart your iPad. A simple restart clears temporary memory and often fixes random crashes. For iPads with Face ID, press and hold the top button and either volume up or down button simultaneously until power slider appears. Drag the slider to turn it off. After 30 seconds, press the top button to turn it back on. An outdated app is one of the most common causes of crashing. Developers regularly push bug fixes through updates. To update an app, open the App Store, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down to see pending updates. Tap Update next to the crashing app, or tap Update All to update everything. Once updated, relaunch the app and see if the crashing stops. If the app is up to date but still crashing, your iPadOS might be the problem. App developers design their apps for the latest versions of iPadOS, so being behind can cause conflicts. To update your iPad, go to Settings, tap on General. Here tap on Software Update and install any available updates. Make sure your iPad is plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi while updating. You should also check app compatibility. Some older apps may not work properly with newer versions of iPadOS. Visit the app's App Store page and check recent update history, compatibility information, and user reviews mentioning crashes. If many users report problems, you may need to wait for the developer to release a fix. Is your iPad running low on storage? Apps need breathing room. If your iPad storage is almost full, apps will crash because they can't write temporary data. Check your storage by going to Settings, tapping on General, and here tap on iPad Storage. Look at the bar at the top. If it's nearly full, that's your problem. You can free up space by deleting apps you no longer use, offloading apps, deleting old photos and videos, and clearing Safari cache. We have done a complete guide on how to free up iPad storage. You can find its link in the description of this video. If a specific app keeps crashing, its local data or cache might be corrupted. The cleanest fix is to delete and reinstall it from the App Store. To do this, press and hold the app icon on your home screen, then tap Remove App and select Delete App option. Finally, tap Delete to confirm. Then open the App Store, search for the same app, and reinstall it. If multiple apps are crashing and none of the above fixes have worked, there might be a deeper settings conflict on your iPad. In that case, you should reset all settings on your iPad. Doing so won't delete your photos or apps, but it will reset things like Wi-Fi passwords, display settings, and privacy settings. To reset all settings on your iPad, open the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad, tap Reset, and finally tap on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted, confirm the reset. Your iPad will restart and your settings will be back to default. Test your apps afterward. If you've installed iPadOS beta version, app crashes are very common. Consider updating to the latest beta or downgrading to the public stable version. Many apps are not fully compatible for the beta software. If one specific app keeps crashing, no matter what, the issue might be a bug within the app itself and only the developer can fix it. In that case, go to the App Store, find the app, scroll down and tap App Support. You can also leave a review mentioning the crash. Developers often monitor these. Check the app's social media pages or Reddit community. Others may have found a workaround. And that's it. One of these fixes should have your apps running smoothly again. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're still having issues, drop a comment below with your iPad model and which app is crashing, and I will do my best to help. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a troubleshooting video like this. Thanks for watching.